Hi friends, have a lovely morning to all. I am a Ravi Kumar from class 10. I am belongs to Lalpur at the district Lalpur Kol Nawada, Bihar. Then I would my main name is I want to become a teacher. Then I have some chance to take a responsibility to give the good education on the education minister to all the children. Then after will be today will restart this the classes in some video by video topic. Then the prove that the formula from in the from the R.S. Agrawal Bharati Bhavan book. Then I would say first theorem for any acute angle prove that first tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. In the previous lecture, I will discuss about the formula sin theta equal to p by h and cos theta बराबर b by h and tan theta is equal to p by b. Then after this question, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta बराबर what is the value of sin theta? p by h by b by h. p by h by b by h. Then tan theta is equal to p by h into h by b. H is cancel out. Then tan theta बराबर p by b proved. Then in the next chapter then second question is cot theta equal to cot theta is equal to cos theta. In previous lecture, I have dealt about the cos theta बराबर prove cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. First of all, the cot theta is equal to b by p and sin theta is equal to p by h and cos theta equal to b by h. Then proved cot theta equal to cos by sin. Then cot theta बराबर cos. What is the formula of cos theta? b by h. And what is the formula of sin theta? The formula of sin theta is p by h. You can understand in previous lecture. And cot theta बराबर b by h into h by p. Then h is cancel out. Then cot theta बराबर b by p. Then the cot theta बराबर b by p. Then b by p equal to b by p. The formula of cot theta is b by p. Understood? Yes. Again, b by p is equal to hence cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Proved. Then again this question. Tan theta into cot theta बराबर 1. In the previous tan theta is equal to p by b into b by p equal to 1. b cancel, p cancel, then 1 is equal to 1. Hence tan theta equal to tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Then this summary given in below. tan theta बराबर दोस्तों sin थीटा बाय cos थीटा. समझे बच्चों? cot थीटा बराबर cos थीटा बटा sin थीटा. Then tan theta into cot theta बराबर 1. Then after the second theorem, and this theorem was repeated in first of all and secant sin square theta plus cos square theta. In the previous lecture I will discuss about the sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then again this revise. What is the formula of sin theta? p by b equal to p by h equal to b by h बराबर 1. Then squaring both side, then p square by h square plus b square by h square equal to 1 by h square p square plus b square बराबर h कैंसिल बराबर 1. Hence sin square theta into cos square theta बराबर 1. Then the question second 1 plus 1 plus tan square theta बराबर sin tan cos tan square theta p by b का होल स्क्वायर बराबर h by b का होल स्क्वायर 1 plus p square by b square बराबर h square by b square plus p square बराबर h square by b square by b square p square plus b square बराबर h square by b square. Then cancel out, तो 1 is equal to 1. Then again is proof 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. आया बच्चे सबको समझ में? ठीक है बच्चों. अब नेक्स्ट then the summary I will discuss about summary. Then what you summary? Sin square theta plus cos square theta बराबर 1. Understood? Any student have any doubt in this formula? Not. First, second, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Understood दोस्तों? तीसरा 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. चलो दोस्तों, आपसे उसी निवेदन है, थोड़ा ब्रेक लेते हैं नहीं. First of all, my target is completing then I will discuss all the formula about the trigonometry, and then after I will discuss the solve example. Then the question are asked in CBSE board. Sin theta equal to 8 by 17. Then find other trigonometric ratio. First of all, this is a right angle triangle. Understood? Naming A, B, C. It is a 90 degree. Then formula sin theta is equal to P by H बराबर 8 by 17 P 8 17. Then after that, first of all, by using Pythagoras theorem by using Pythagoras theorem p स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर बराबर h स्क्वायर। कभी नहीं भूलना दोस्तों। ये p कितना है बच्चों? 8 स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू h कितना है? 17 स्क्वायर। 8 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 64 प्लस b स्क्वायर। 17 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है दोस्तों? 289 b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 289 माइनस 64। देन b बराबर रूट अंडर 9 में 5, 9 में 4 जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा दोस्तों? 5। 8 में 6 जाएगा कितना बचेगा दोस्तों? 2। यानी b बराबर आ गया मेरे दोस्तों 15। ओके। देन इन दिस वीडियो BC given by 50. Understood? Then after we'll find the other trigonometry. Then cos theta. Cos theta बराबर b by h. What is the b? यानी कि 15/17। tan theta बराबर p by b। What is the p? P is 8/15 and cot theta is equal to 1/tan theta equal to 15/8 cot theta। Then sec theta equal to 1/cos की 17/15 cos theta equal to cosec theta is equal to 1/sin theta। cosec theta बराबर 1/sin यानी कि in this lecture I will tell us about the formula। This is the formula written। This trick are written by ओके से दोस्तों। दिस ट्रिक पंडित बाबा पंडित हरि बोल। क्या है दोस्तों? पंडित बाबा पंडित हरि बोल सोना चांदी तोल। And then again we'll discuss in this chapter I will discuss LAL by KKA। L by K यानी कि लंब बाय कर्ण यानी कि साइन थीटा आधार बटा कर्ण कोस थीटा लंब बटा आधार टेन थीटा कर्ण बटा लंब कोसेक थीटा कर्ण बटा आधार सेक थीटा आधार बटा लंब कोट थीटा। Then again we'll discuss in this chapter you can understand। Then the second cos A equal to 9/41। Find the other trigonometric ratio cosec theta. Then cos theta बराबर 9/40. What is the formula of cos theta? B by H. B 9, H 41, A B C. Then by using Pythagoras theorem. Then I will discuss. Then the book are slow down on the bench are needed, sir. Then after we'll discuss about the what is the formula. Then time is over. Then this question is last. Then we go b square plus b h p square plus 9 square बराबर 41. p square 9 का 9 जा 81 इक्वल टू 41 का स्क्वायर 1681. p स्क्वायर बराबर 1681 माइनस 81. p बराबर रूट अंडर 1600. तो p इक्वल टू 40. देन p इक्वल टू 40. Then again in this chapter sin theta is equal to p by h. p 40/41 sin cos theta b by h 9/41 tan theta equal to this value is theta. Tan theta is equal to p by v. What is the value of p? 40/9. 40/9. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta 9/40. tan theta cot theta sec theta बराबर 1 by cos theta. Then cos theta 41/9. Then sec equal to 1 by sin यानी कि sorry 40/41/40. Then suppose this video, suppose this is to I can try to understand, because today is the first day to discuss about the trigonometry, because I want to become a teacher and I will discuss and to practice about the teaching method of the online on the free education of this given. Okay, thank you. Today then again we'll discuss on the topic